Hello, my name is Erwin Acevedo. My hometown is New York City. My academic interest and endless emphasis area is labor relations. Professional interest is legal studies. Um, Something unique and interesting about myself is since I work in labor relations, I really like legal studies. A lot of people don't know that. Let me see. What I'm most interested in learning about in this course, I would say I would like to see how um, I could learn more about labor relations. I know reading the material that I had over there, I seen that Congress have given special powers to the National Labor Relations Board to enforce the National Labor Relations Act, and that's mostly what I'm familiarized with. So I'd like to learn more about that, and that's about it. I have a real deep love for labor relations. That's why I try to go myself as much as possible. I dedicate at least I would say a minimum of 40 hours to labor relations and let's learn more through this course and how Congress enacted its powers. And I would say that's about it.